Hey guys, we got this jaw exerciser, and let me just show. So this is great for the jaw exercise. As you can see that it just fit in your jaws, and you can just exercise your jaws for the jawline and nice muscles and facial muscles. So good fun, and let me just explore this more so you can see what's inside the package. So this is how this comes, and there are different levels like the beginners, intermediate, advanced, and expert. So you can see, so very nice small boxes, and this have two pieces of each level, means like the two for the both side of the mouth. And this is what I picked is the intermediate level, and you can see it's a silicone blocks which can easily fit in your mouth. So you have to clean it and just put it, and then you have the case as well, so you can put it back inside. So say this is the beginner one, and then advanced one, and the expert one as the black one, and the strands are provided in here. So this one great for relaxing the muscles or the facial muscles, and then also strengthening the jaw. So like a chewing gum you do, it's like a big chewing gum, so it's like first you have to wash it, and then just put in the side of your jaw mouth and then start chewing, so like you are doing a chewing gum thing. So but be careful, just check that nothing is broken, and then you can wash it afterwards and store it. So great for the jaw lines.